Students, today I will discuss the chapter Fundamental Concepts and Algebraic Expression. First, we discuss fundamental concepts on algebra. So, first point is coming constants. A symbol having a fixed numerical is called a constant. Example 7 minus 3, 3 by 5 etc. Second point, variables or literals. A symbol which takes as various numerical values is known as a variable or a literal. Example, the perimeter of a square with a side A is given by P is equal to 4A. Here 4 is constant, A and P are variables. Now we discuss about algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? A combination of constants and variables connected by operations plus, minus, multiplication and division is known as algebraic expression. Second point, terms of an algebraic expression. Several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus are called the terms of expression. For example, 6a plus 7b is an expression with two terms 6a and 7b. 3x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 5x square minus 3 is an expression of four terms 3x to the power 4 minus 2x cube 5x square and minus 3. Now various types of algebraic expressions. First one, monomial. An algebraic expression having only one term is called a monomial. Example 5x minus 6y cube 2x into y 13xyz by 5 etc. Second point, binomial. An algebraic expression having two terms is called a binomial. Example 5x plus 3y, 7x square minus 8y etc. Third point, trinomial. An algebraic expression having three terms is called a trinomial. Example 2x square plus 5x minus 7, 3x square y plus z by 5 plus 8 etc. Fourth point, multinomial. An algebraic expression having more than one term is called a multinomial. Example 3 by 19x square minus ab square by c plus 43 abx minus 4 is known as a multinomial having four terms. Now fifth point, factors of a term. When two or more quantities are multiplied to form a term, then each term of these quantities is called a factor. A constant factor is called a numerical factor. A variable factor is called a literal factor. For example, in the term 7xy, 7 is known as numerical factor, x, y and xy is known as literal factor. Sixth point, constant term. In an algebraic expression, a term which has no literal factor is called a constant term. For example, in the expression x square plus y square plus xy minus 3, minus 3 is known as constant term. Now seventh point, coefficients. Any factor of a term is called the coefficient of the product of all the remaining factors. In a term, the numeric factor attached to the variables is called the numerical coefficient. For example, in 7xy, the numerical coefficient is 7. In a term, the non-numeric factor consisting of the variables of the term is called the literal coefficient. Example, in minus 8x square z, the literal coefficient is x square z. Here, my dear student, we can say the coefficient of x square is here minus 8z. The coefficient of z is equal to minus 8x square. The coefficient of 8x is equal to minus xz, and like that. So my dear student, now you can see the second part of this chapter in next video. Thank you.